In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books for beginners. If you've just started exploring the world of accounting software and have chosen Zoho Books, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get you comfortable with this powerful tool. First, let's take a moment to explore the dashboard and navigation panel. As you log into your Zoho Books account, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is your financial hub, providing an at-a-glance view of your business's financial health. It includes key metrics like receivables, payables, and cash flow. Spending a few minutes here will help you understand your financial standing at any given time. Over on the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation panel. This is your gateway to various modules such as sales, purchases, banking, and reports. Each section is designed to streamline your processes, and familiarizing yourself with them will make your journey with Zoho Books much smoother. Next, let's talk about adding items and customers, which is crucial for setting up an efficient sales process. Head over to the Items section, where you can create a detailed list of the products and services you offer. Here, you'll want to include essential details such as pricing and descriptions, ensuring you have everything ready for when it's time to issue an invoice. Once your items are set up, move to the Sales module and add your customers. By doing this, you'll have all your sales data integrated and easily accessible for future transactions. Another important step is connecting your bank accounts. By navigating to the Banking module, you can sync your business bank accounts and credit cards. This feature allows transactions to be imported automatically, saving you from the tedious task of manual entry and ensuring your financial data is always up to date. Now, let's look at creating and sending invoices. In the Sales module, you'll find an option for Invoices. To create a new invoice, click New. Fill in your customer's details and add the items you are invoicing them for. Don't forget to include any specific notes or terms if necessary. Once your invoice is ready to go, simply click Save and Send to email it directly to your customer. This streamlined process not only saves time, but also helps keep your invoicing organized. Finally, recording payments is the last piece of the puzzle. As invoices get paid, head back to the Invoices section where you'll see a list of all issued invoices. Select the one that's been paid, click Record Payment, and input the amount received, payment date, and deposit account. Once you hit Save, the payment is recorded into your system, giving you an accurate snapshot of your income. And there you have it, a basic yet comprehensive walkthrough of setting up and using Zoho Books as a beginner. Keep exploring and utilizing these features to streamline your business accounting and always know your financial position at a glance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video made your journey with Zoho Books a little easier.